time to learn with V3.
Oh, this is cardboard. This is cardboard.
Why are we playing with musical instruments?
Because we're gonna make a
Tambourine!
what blue?
Yeah, today we're gonna make a tambourine.
Boya.
What happened? What happened?
Aku dah buta blue kanata.
Huh?
Oh.
So this is what I'm supposed to do? Oh. Okay, now keep playing with musical instruments. Any kind of lentils.
Any colored paper we're using chocolate candies or chocolate wrappers. Red.
Okay, you like red. Vivan, do you know what this is?
Blue.
And this? Paper plate.
And
And the last thing that you need.
scissors.
Wait, I'm not finished yet. The last thing, but you need to be very careful with these.
Scissors.
Yes, scissors.
Let's get started.
Okay, so first get 2 paper plates. Place them down on the table and put some lentil inside only 1 plate. Look.
Let's shake it up just a bit.
And you should do some too.
So I can just get it together. Oh.
It makes noise.
Let's get started. Already started. Hello? It's already started.
So what you have to do? So what you have to do now is get some glue and put it on the rim of the paper plate where you put the lentil. Okay? Remember, on the rim. So that means right at the edge. So look at that. Right there. Now, get your other paper plate and stick it on the top. Right at the top. Now press it. Press. I like to press. Press. Hey, Virat, can you say the press spelling?
P-R.
Yeah. S.
Press.
It's E. P-R-E. And then
R-E-S.
And then it's not only one S for that. There are actually 2 S's. So the spelling is P-R-E-S-S.
Oh, press.
Hey friends, the glue is drying. So how about we learn about the different categories of musical instruments? First of all, did you even know that there were different categories?
Whoa.
So today we're going to talk about 3 categories: wind, string, and percussion. The first one we're going to talk about is wind. Wind instruments are played using your wind, like you blow in it. And one of them is a saxophone. That instrument is used in jazz a lot. And the next one is a tuba. It's like very low. It's like very deep. The next category is string instruments. String instruments are like what they sound. They are played with strings. And the first string instrument is a guitar. A guitar has 6 strings and it's like a ukulele but bigger. If you remember, in Javon's birthday video, I actually played the happy birthday song on the guitar. Instrument for string is a harp. Okay?
What is a harp?
A harp, you won't even believe it. Guess how many strings it has? 39 strings! Good job, good job, good job, good job. Okay, so the last and final category is percussion instruments. Percussion instruments are either played by your hands or a stick. Okay, so the first percussion instrument we're gonna do is a drum. A drum is played by a stick or your hands. You bang on the drum and it makes noise like boom, 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 boom. And the next one of percussion instruments is xylophone. A xylophone is played with a stick. You get the stick and you bang the keys with the stick. And the keys go from small to big. Small to big.
And it started.
So now, we're gonna cut out our candy wrappers into circles. Virat, can you help us out to cut them? So get your circle and you're gonna stick them on over here. See, it's not fully in and it's not fully out either, just in the middle. You're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's enough?
Yep. Placing on now. Placing.
Oh, why does it bubble in the glue?
Bubbling glue, bubbling glue. Na 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 poo poo.
Bubbling glue. Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, so I'm done with one side. Now I'm gonna flip it over and do with the other side. Oh, we now did more than 8. You can do more than 8 circles too if you want.
Okay, that is another way to do it.
I'm gonna flip it over. We gotta skip it when one of these drop. Woohoo! Yes! We forgot the most important instrument in our trivia of the different categories of the musical instruments. It is the piano. We forgot the piano!
Why didn't you show me my cheeks?
Because we forgot the most important instrument!
Why didn't
And so piano is a string and a percussion instrument. You hit the piano keys with your fingers. That's why it is a percussion instrument. And there's 230 strings inside.